shower. Did you want to show them?
I don't know. It's snowing outside again. Jesus Christ.
Are you recording?
Yes,
Oh,
I'm
look. You
recording.
can't do it now. I'm taking the hair out of the bun and it looks like this. Jesus Christ. I'm not even a shot. What? He's choking on his own spit. What can you do? I mean, the boy can barely breathe and walk at the same time. He can barely breathe properly. Are you dying?
Mm-hmm.
Do you need a coffin? You're not even in a shot.
Whatever. I like how we're looking at the screen and down. There I am. There you are.
Wait, there you are.
There you are.
Got it.
There.
Like this, so we don't look down. Because every time you look down, you're like, look at me, double chin. But you've got this big thing hiding it.